Right, we are going for a tractor.
Tractor.
Not just any tractor. We're going for a John Deere tractor. I've never drawn a tractor. I've never painted a tractor.
You're a bit nervous.
I'm a little bit nervous. That's why I've left it really. I should have a glass of wine really with it as well.
Get you one?
Glass of wine? No. Yeah, all right.
Yeah. All right, go on then.
Yeah, have a glass of wine.
Aces.
So, wish me luck. So, a John Deere tractor, as supplied by Mr. James, who used to sell Aston Martins but now sells agricultural equipment. So we're going to go for this. Who knows? I don't know if this is going to work or not. Tool one. So let's go for it over here. So it's John Deere. That's what I know about it. And that's all I know really about it. Is it's a John Deere. And you'll see it in a field, I imagine. Oh, I do know that agricultural equipment is done by colour, so that you have like red, green, blue, yellow, so that from afar you know what the brand is from afar. That's all I know. Really? There's Massey Ferguson. What else is there? Massey Ferguson used to be manufactured in Coventry. I know that as well. Back in the day. So, there we are. We'll go for that. It's got some little eyes just here. So we're going for the continuous line as always. So, wine has arrived to wish me luck in this slightly challenging. Thanks for the wine, my dear.
Sorry, the guitar player had gone to get supplies, essential supplies.
This is wine left over from our wedding.
No, this is rum actually.
It's rum.
Mango and passion fruit flavoured rum.
Nice. Oh, is this one I got from the London Classic?
Yeah.
They were lovely people based in Derby. We need to go and do that gin wine tasting thing when all this is blown over. It's doing whatever it's dragging along. Ploughing a field.
What do I do to make you love me?
Beautiful. Who sang that song?
Is it the blue one? The blues version with Elton John or the real version with Elton John?
Oh, it was Blue, wasn't it?
That's the one which goes,
Chicka chicka woo. Okay.
What do I do to make you care?
Right. So we're giving this a bash. No idea how this is going to turn out. I mean, hopefully we'll get there. Something will be done. Right. Got the start of tractor.
Good.
There we are. Let's start. We'll give it a go. Wish me luck. Any comments so far? Nothing. Nothing. Not even on Instagram.
Cook.
Huh?
No, focus.
I'd like to hear what people say.
No, if there was something, I'd read it to you.
Okay.
Trust me. I can make up stuff.
Okay, make it up.
Oh, that looks like a tractor, it does.
Lovely.
Said no one. Yet.
A bit green, obviously. Hopefully James is watching.
Can't tell.
James Parrott.
Stuart says, today I gave my 10-year-old son an art lesson. He wanted to draw a Ferrari F1 car. So I'd shown him how to break the car down, and he has now learned the basic fingers crossed. He gets as good as you with practice.
There we are. Good.
How's homeschooling going? How's it going with homeschooling?
Happy to assist in the homeschooling. This will be the last one of the day. Well, I had a look at, I don't know, forklifts before, but not tractors.
You have done a forklift. It was a Doosan one.
Doosan forklifts, yeah.
Remember that?
Not a John Deere. So,
Do I get a virtual high five for watching you till the end?
yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah,
I think so.
yeah. You get a strum on the old guitar as well. That's just for you.
Do you want to give a high five? Reem says hi.
Hi again, Reem.
Hi, Reem. Reem, she likes to eat cream. She is every man's dream.
Well, Phil's.
Well,
Phil.
sorry, Phil's.
Phil's.
She is Phil's dream. What else? She likes to drive a car. We should take her to the bar.
Can't do either of those things at the moment.
What, you can drive a car?
Just about.
But when you're in the petrol station, make sure you have a glove on or you sanitize your hands after you've used the pump. Because that is a breeding ground for viral and all sorts of interchange. Reem likes the every man's dream version, not the Phil's version.
Oh, okay. Alright, we can change it. Phil's obviously in the bad books.
George McDonald 67 says, that's actually awesome.
Thank you. Not bad. I've never drawn a tractor before, ever. I think I've never drawn a tractor. So it's it's really funny.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Had to be there.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Come and join in. And a woof woof here and a woof woof there. No. Old MacDonald had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. And a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here woof, there woof, everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. here and a ba ba there, here ba everywhere ba ba. Oh God, he needs the rum.
It's been a long night.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Doom, 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 doom. Thank you. I'm here all week.
Oh dear, yeah, I know.
Did you get the relevance of the song with the tractor?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Just making sure.
I'm glad you had to simplify it down for me as well. Did you understand it? You're drawing a tractor and farms.
Cyberpunk says Stratos. Stratos?
Yeah, send some images.
Send some images over.
If you want to strat us.
I think I should make you a jingle. Have I said that already? I need to make you a jingle. If you want your car, turn into art.
Or tractor.
Send it over.
Could be a helicopter. Could be anything,
a
there.
helicopter. Yeah, I'll work on it tonight. Work on some lyrics tonight. He's called PopBangColour.
He's normally found on his knees at events, but he can't be there because they've all been cancelled and on lockdown. Right, I think we are there.
Or thereabouts. Oh, fadey, fadey.
Ta-da!
Oh, lovely. I really like that.
Tractor. Ta-da! First ever tractor ever done, ever. Never drawn tractor. There's my tractor. John Deere tractor. It's green. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.